Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent access to command prompt in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To prevent access to command prompt on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search type gpedit, click on edit group policy. In local group policy editor, under user configuration, expand administrative template, then click on system. Here you will find prevent access to the command prompt. Right click on this setting and click on edit. Now not configured is selected. Click on enable, and here you will find an option disable the command prompt script processing also. Select yes, and now click on apply, then click on OK. Close group policy editor. Now right click on start menu, click on run. In run type gp update / force. Now click on OK to update the group policy immediately. Now I am trying to open command prompt. In search type cmd. Now click on command prompt, and look, the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator, and press any key to continue. Now command prompt is successfully disabled on my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.